Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this axolotl outfit on Dress to Impress. So the non-VIP version is kind of like the same. Well, it doesn't make that much of a difference. So I'm just going to get this one and then I'm going to color it this kind of pink color. And then if you want to, you can add the like this one, but if you don't have it, that's also just fine. And then I'm going to use this tail and I'm going to color it this. I'm gonna also do it for this one actually, and I might do like a silk one. Maybe like that to match this a little bit better. And then I'm going to use this. I might actually change the colors. Hold on, give me one sec. And then for the tail, we're gonna color that one. Okay, there you go. Then we're going to get this for the eyes. Then we're going to get, where is it? This one for the hair. And you can stop there for the non-VIP version. It looks good as is. Let me just do the trope. Where is it? The belly flop one there. You can stop like this, or you can add in this, like, not the pirate's hat, the cape. Make sure you turn it off though, and then you can color that in. It doesn't really make a big difference, but you can absolutely add that for more pizzazz. And that's pretty much it, really. That's how you can create an axolotl on Dress to Impress. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.